Hello everyone, I'm Paolo Nibletto here in New Orleans at the Microsoft Worldwide Partner Conference. With me here is Allison Watson, the Worldwide Channel Chief for Microsoft. And they made a big announcement with the Microsoft Partner Network, a revamping of their whole strategy as they go to market. So why don't we start with that, Allison? Tell me why you wanted to do that kind of strategy. Why now? What's happening in the marketplace that you felt that you had to make that kind of decision?
Well, it's been coming over the last 18 months for a variety of reasons. We launched the Microsoft Partner Program 5 years ago. In fact, I think we were together in Toronto at that big announcement. And at the time, we decided to take a generic program and make it specialized. And that served us incredibly well. Our partner network has grown, our asset has grown. But we started to get feedback from both partners and customers. And if you look at the impetus for this, I would say started with the customer. The customer said, help me able to differentiate which partners are truly good in the areas that I need them to do good at. Microsoft's gotten very big in business intelligence. We've gotten very big in virtualization. We've gotten very big in database and collaboration and portals. How do I know which partner's better than another? And today, our gold certified program doesn't do as good a job differentiating that. So one of the big feedbacks was differentiate the best partners. And then secondly, customers asked us to, your best partners aren't always your best partners. I want to know that if I'm going to commit to a best partner, that they truly are the best. Best tends to mean that they invest early, that they commit to our stack, whether they do it all themselves or whether they partner with another partner, that either can work, that they continue to give us feedback that makes us better, and they commit to helping us beat and win against the competition. So those were sort of the impetus that our customers asked us for, and those are the things that together we're doing from the customer point of view. The second major pillar, and of course the one I think our audience cares the most about, is what do our partners tell us, right? They're the ones that are in the program, they're the ones that make money, they're the ones that have to have a profitable business opportunity. So fundamentally they said, don't change the value prop that Microsoft cares about partners of every type making money with Microsoft. There's a lot of new partner types out there. We want to be included in your program, whether we're a hoster or a web agency, telecommunications vendor, or a new startup serving the home market. All those people need a home in our network as well. So they said, give us a home, don't change your value prop, but differentiate us. We want to be separated for what we are uniquely good at. So if you combine that, I think that was the impetus and the drive. In thinking about how to get it done, we felt like it was time to take advantage of the power of the Microsoft Partner Program around P2P, which represented a network, coming at the same time with the advent of social computing and community that allows us to get better. And sort of the triumvirate of that created the new Microsoft Partner Network with a beautiful new brand that will drive new excitement in the marketplace, but also a new set of requirements for our partners who really want to continue to earn that brand to stand in front of our customers with us.
So a lot of the gold partners are talking to me on the show floor. So what if I was a gold partner, what would you say to me? Well, how would I get better involved to get all the benefits out of the Microsoft Partner Network?
Well, that's one of the things I did differently in my keynote this year. So first of all, the good news is with digital WPC, we've had over 1 million views this week, is that all of our partners can go back and if they want to watch in slow-mo, because I tend to speak fast. But I just tried to show a tip of the iceberg of the tools and the assets we have available in the Microsoft Partner Network. And I find, because I get to meet with customers and partners all over the world each year, that sometimes it can be our best kept secret. So we have built this rich set of partnering assets to help partners do a better job planning their business, including profitability model tools, enabling their business, including the launch of our new Partner Learning Center, our practice building tools, and our services ready offerings through Microsoft Consulting Services, helping create demand with our new digital marketing assets that partners are finding drive web traffic, which is a must do to get new customers in today's environment, selling assets, whether it's joint partnering with us on partner sales management, or just simply having a approach that helps sell better with partners by using our deployment planning services, our demo showcase that we just launched on Windows Azure. And then summarize that all and just getting involved in the conversation, giving us feedback in the social community and networking. And if I've got partners that are in a vertical market, let's say it's education or healthcare or manufacturing, have those partners get together in a conversation with each other, because frankly, that's where they're going to take the innovation that Microsoft brings with the things partners bring on top and drive explosive opportunities. In fact, I was pleased to share with partners this week, and I know a lot of our Canadian partners in particular know this already, but there's more that don't, is that partners who use P2P as a strategy will grow their average deal size by 16%, but more importantly, in my opinion, is that they grow the number of deals by 33%. So there's a lot of power to leveraging those assets. And I would tell all Gold partners, if we can't help you through it on the web, send us feedback and we'll figure out a way to walk you through it. If not, let's find someone locally to do it as well.
Well, a lot of those Canadian partners, especially with the Azure announcement, we're sort of trying to figuring out cloud services and that sort of strategy. How are you going to get the channel ready for that rollout?
Well, we announced in Doug Hauger's keynote and Bob Muglia that we had Windows Azure. The new product will be launched at the Professional Developers Conference. And this week we announced the availability of the Quick Start for Windows Azure in the Microsoft Partner Network. So we're certainly asking everyone who's an ISV, everyone who has a custom development application business, everyone who's actually interested in the cloud. We launched a Quick Start program this week on the Microsoft Partner Network, and we offered free tools and access to tools to do development and spending time in the Azure platform. Now, if a partner is not a developer or is not specifically as an ISV and doesn't necessarily understand how exactly now they can play relative to the business opportunity, because we launched Demo Showcase on Windows Azure, partners all can have an ability to use Microsoft's cloud today and go out and start to build their demos and then start to use a cloud platform when they're calling on customers on the regular stuff they sell and start to really learn what it means.
And so they become sort of market evangelists for what you're doing.
They start to experience, and that's the best way to get it done.
Okay, quickly, because we're almost out of time, what do you want to say to Canadian partners out there?
I would say, Canadian partners, you all had a tremendous year. Canada was one of our top performing subsidiaries around the world. In fact, going to our sales conference next week, we'll see how well Canada actually did. I know it was going for a tight finish. That wouldn't have happened for Microsoft if it wasn't as a result of the incredible dedication. I always personally appreciate the Canadian partners because you give us tremendous feedback, but you always feel like you're on the same team with us. And if I were to give one final call to action, if there's any competitive situation out there, you want to get into it with us, please let us know. We want to help beat the competition. We want to help save customers money and drive innovation. And we'd love to see all our Canadian partners with us next year in Washington, D.C. at WPC.
Yeah. Well, there you have it. Allison Watson, Channel Chief for Microsoft here in New Orleans at the Worldwide Partner Conference. I'm Paolo for CDN Computer Deal News. Thank you very much.
Thank you.